So the nuts raspberry pin, 99. I don't know how much the veggie straws are. 12.99. 29 divided by 8. 20. 22.5 ounce. 9.99. These I sell for $2. Oh, how much is that one? Because that didn't have a price. 12. Okay, be careful on there, please. You got to move out of the. I don't like you hanging on there, because what if you fall? Please, I don't want that. Please get down. All the way. All the way down. All right, so this is the sweet chili. Hal's sweet chili kettle. And this is $22.99. These I sell for $2. Oh no, I don't see it. The sour cream. Oh, they do have sour cream. Sour cream and onion. I was gonna try another flavor. They have white cheddar popcorn here. Jalapeno. I'm gonna stick with the oh my gosh, man. It's like a highway in here. So we're gonna get the sour cream and onion, and these are the same price, $22.99. And I sell these for $2. You coming in here? Hold on. Okay. All right, so I wanted to try a box of chips. I'm thinking maybe Ruffles. I'm not sure. Or Funyuns. Nope. I think I'll stick with the Cape Cod. Somewhat less salty chip. So I'll do the Cape Cod. Apple pie. And some honey buns. But let me look at the cookies right quick. So the nuts raspberry are $10.99. And you get 36. And I sell it for $1. That's my pen. Get my pen. Oh, so that's where I got it from. Here's the Welch's. Remember? I couldn't remember where I got it from. Yeah, I didn't remember. So Welch's here is $12.49. And you get, how many is in here? 20. 22.5 ounce. And I sell this for $1.50. How much I pay. Maria's. Oh, that's too big though. Checks. Somebody opened it. I didn't open it. Somebody else opened it. Chex Mix. I don't know. Should I try this? I don't know. I like to put different things in the machine every so often. I do need a box of veggie straws. Let me just check the price. Check the price it sells for at Sam's Club. I think Sam's Club might be cheaper. I'm always looking to get the cheapest price. So, veggie straws is $13.98 at Sam's Club. This one is... Where's the price? I don't know how much the veggie straws are. All right, so I'm just gonna pick up a box. I'll check the price at the register, but should I get those Chex Mix? You could push it that way. But hold on, let me see something. February 2026. 12.99. Right. I don't know if I should get this Chex Mix. 60% less fat. I think I'll try this for the school. Chex Mix. Let's see if they like it. So now I need apple pie. Let me check my list. I'm trying to be organized. I need apple pie and honey buns too. I have to get the roaches. You see the cat? No? They usually are. They don't have a $9.99. $1.50 we sell the honey buns for. Apple pie. Best Buy. What is that? November 21st. Well, these will be going by November 21st. I'm thinking about this right here. I don't know. The pound cake. Let me see. How much is it? Best ever pound cake. Man, this is 510 calories. No. Dutch apple Danish.
Mommy,
What?
you'll be bringing a couple of cookies for my teacher because she's not a cupcake lover.
How much are these? You know what? I'm gonna leave these alone. I'm gonna leave that alone. Should I put this in the machine for a special Halloween treat? I don't know. Hershey's triple chocolate cake. So this is $11.49. How many is inside? 8. So I have to sell this for $3. 29 divided by 8. Maybe I should try the brownies. Which one you think I should get? Which one you think I should get? Oreo brownie or Hershey's? Oreo?
How much is in there?
They both have 8 in the pack. The Oreo? Okay. So the Oreo. Okay. Alright. Alright, come on. I think that's it, right? 123. We good? Oh, how much is that one? Because that didn't have a price. $12.99 for the veggie straws? All right, so total is 136. 122. You need help?
No, I'm good. Go.
Here, you want an apple juice?
Apple pie?
Apple juice.